Bonjour, welcome back to Get By in French. Last lesson we looked at days of the week. La semaine, the week, le jour, the day. And we know that there are 7 jours. So a little recap. Nous sommes mercredi. It is Wednesday. We are Wednesday. We have lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Samedi and dimanche are le weekend, same as in English. Okay, lesson 9. We're looking at ordering food and drink. So this is quite a nice, useful lesson for when you hopefully go to France into a coffee shop. So you've probably come across this before. You may have heard it or witnessed it before. Je voudrais, I would like. Je voudrais. And then the things you might like. Je voudrais un café. S'il vous plaît. We've seen please before, s'il vous plaît. We've seen thank you before, merci. So, je voudrais un café, or you might want un thé. So, in French, they don't say th, like the. It's t, like a letter T. Un thé, okay? Un café, or je voudrais un thé, s'il vous plaît. Something to eat. I've drawn it a bit like a French sandwich because it won't look like our sandwiches with the square bread cut in half. It will be more like a longer, like a roll kind of thing with ham or cheese or whatever. So, je voudrais, again, un sandwich. Un sandwich. Looks the same as English, said differently, pronounced un sandwich. Or you might be in a boulangerie and you want some bread. Again, they do have loaves of bread, which are round or cereal breads, wholemeal breads. In a supermarket you can buy them in packets, which is the bread that keeps for longer, keeps fresher for longer. But the lovely fresh crusty bread that we know is la baguette, or maybe la ficelle, which is like a string, a thinner baguette. But basically du pain is bread, some bread. Je voudrais du pain. And they'll give you the item and you'll say merci beaucoup, and they will say you're welcome, de rien. We've seen that before. So we're ordering a coffee and a sandwich. Je voudrais un café et un sandwich, s'il vous plaît. Okay? And then they'll bring it. You'll say merci beaucoup. And they'll say de rien. Some other things they might say. If you say je voudrais de l'eau, which is water. Je voudrais de l'eau. Just write that one on my list. Je voudrais de l'eau. De l'eau. They might think, oh, they're not ordering much. They'll say, c'est tout. Is that all? Is that everything? And you'll say, oui, merci. So you're quite entitled to order some water. Je voudrais de l'eau, some water. Okay? Obviously, there's more than tea and coffee and water and sandwiches and bread. But just to start with, we've got un café, un thé, un sandwich, du pain, and de l'eau. And also, if you're in a cafe restaurant or have something to eat, you can order du pain, but they'll bring it with the meal anyway. If you're ordering lunch, say it's an omelette or a pizza or salad, you might get a little bowl with little pieces of pain, du pain, with that to go with it. Okay? So you're saying je voudrais, I would like, and they may say c'est tout, is that everything? And you'll say oui, merci. Okay, so enjoy ordering your food and drinks when you next hopefully get an opportunity to travel to France. Okay, au revoir, à la prochaine.